company called BrotherHobby has put together a solid and well-built skateboard. Their design is something I've never seen before, which makes the Land Snail smoother and more comfortable. This is easily my new favorite on-road electric skateboard. BrotherHobby is offering 10% off if you want to pick it up. I've got the link and code in the description. The biggest difference with the Land Snail are the 3.5-inch rubber tires that I feel make the ride much better than standard PU wheels. A lot of trails throughout town are pretty worn down and rough, with cracks every couple of feet. The deck is also slightly curved to help with steering, and the grip tape, which they've given an extra one, is slightly padded and added to the overall comfort of the board. The remote is one of the better and more expensive remotes I felt. The screen displays speed, battery, odometer, max speed, speed mode, and brake mode. Double press the power button to switch between forward and reverse. Single press the mode button to switch between speed modes, and tap the power button when moving to set the cruise control. It can be turned on by the power button on the bottom of the board. Now if you couldn't tell, I am a fan of the board. It's got some great power, it's smoother than a traditional skateboard, and can climb hills fairly easy. Only thing I wish it had was another 5 miles on the range, but it only takes an hour and a half to recharge, the shortest recharge time I've seen. Now they may wear a little faster, especially if you plan on taking rougher trails,